Hello everybody and welcome to another installment of AZ Camera Reviews. And in this particular episode, as you know, we do a lot of reviews on different moving objects and things when we're walking around and talking about things. So I thought about it and I says, it would be really good to be able to have a camera that's the point of view of what I see. So I ended up buying these sports Bluetooth camera sunglasses, which I can just put on my head and it's got a camera in the middle of it. So let's look at what's inside the box and then we'll talk a little more about it. So here's the box it comes in. I don't know why they put it in this plastic bag because you can't really see what the glasses look like, but this is the way they come packaged. So first thing you have is you have the glasses here, and the camera is right there in the center. And it comes with with plastic on one side, but it doesn't come with plastic on the other. Let's talk about what's inside the box now, and then we'll come back to these. So when you take this out, you have two earphones that hook to the glasses. You've got a cable for charging the glasses, and you've got a cleaning cloth. Now, let's talk about how these work. This has a little bit of a gluey plastic thing, so got to pull that off. Now, as I mentioned, you've got two holes right here, okay? When you charge it, you want to charge it on this side, which is the main side that's on the batteries. Okay, the batteries are within here, and then there's your on-off switches and all that other stuff. So when you charge it up, you're going to charge it in this hole, okay? Now here's two earphones, and I'm going to show how they hook in. Now myself, if I was using the glasses, I would not use these because it calls a lot of attention to them as being electronic. And when you're going in and you want to just not have people know what you're doing, you don't want to have these things hanging down off the glasses because they're gonna see these hanging off of here, and they're gonna go, oh, those glasses have some sort of electronics in them. So I was wondering, I needed a manual or something, and I was like, where's the manual? If you're looking for your manual, it was underneath this flap. This is the manual. Don't worry about it. It's not all in Chinese. You would think it was in Chinese, but it's not all in Chinese. If you turn it over, this side is in English, but it's a little complex in how to go into the different modes. So let's see. This is how they go on. This is how they look. They're pretty stylish. You can also listen to music and stuff by plugging these into your ears, like so. And you can listen to music, so on and so forth. So that's this aspect. And then you turn them on and off, and there's a whole bunch of different ways of taking still pictures with it. And I'm not going to go into all that because this video would be too long. But that's about it for these glasses. We're going to try them out. I'll be back in a little bit with a wrap-up. We'll take some video with it. We'll show you how the video looks, and then we'll close out. They're on. Okay. This is how we use them on a scooter. So what do I think of these sports Bluetooth glasses? I think they're pretty good for the purpose that they were designed for. Myself, being a video person, I would like to see a little more depth in the color. So what I tend to do is I exaggerate the blacks, I bring the black levels up, and I also increase the color, and that usually does it. Otherwise, I think they're a really, really good tool for the videos that we do, because we like to do some action videos, and sometimes I like to do videos like this where I end up being on a scooter or something else, and these glasses will really help out because it frees up both my hands. So until next time, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, hit that button down below, and please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.